Visaki celebrations are on.
If I say I know the
weekend-
mayor, do I get free tickets?
No.
No?
No.
No, man.
That doesn't work though. I don't even get free tickets.
If a cop pull me, let me take a selfie. Where's my phone? Let me say, hey, I know. Like, hey, this is my mom.
Oh yeah, try that. See how that goes for you. Yeah, see how that
They'll
works
still
out for you.
ticket me. Oh my gosh.
They will still ticket you. Yeah, and they actually might call security if you
Oh.
No, there's no shortage of events in our community though. Like I was talking to council next weekend. There's 4 events on Friday night alone. Like there's lots of things to do. You
Gotcha.
just, and if you really, really can't find things to do, go on to City of Grande Prairie. Go to the event page. There's lots of great stuff there.
Fantastic. We'll end on that note, guys. See you guys in the next video. Peace. Thanks so much for watching this video all the way through to the end. I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch my videos. If you haven't already subscribed, please take a second to hit that subscribe button right down below. Smash that like button because when you